Like, oh, that hair looks like Oprah. Like, listen, sis, she got money, okay? She got the money. I am not mad at that compliment, okay? Keep them coming. Thank you. Well, hey y'all, welcome back to my channel. It's your girl RaShon. So today's video is brought to you by me. I purchased this unit with my own coin, and we will be talking about how I laid this joint down. There's no lace to be found on this unit whatsoever, so I'm telling you right now, if you have not, okay, if you have not dipped and dabbled into your old synthetic wigs, I mean the 5-year-old lace part synthetic wigs, this is your sign. This is your sign right now, because sis, yes! Now before we get into this install, just know I will be showing you guys exactly what I do to get this unit like this, because I was very specific on what I showed you guys in this install to make sure you didn't miss not one step on getting this unit from A to slay, okay? So if you want to see how I do that, make sure you stay tuned. If you're new to the channel, make sure you go ahead and subscribe and smash the notification bell so you don't miss anything else coming up. Also give this video a thumbs up if you want to see more videos like this in the future. Let's go.
Let's go to work, 'cause I'm tripping. Gotta work on myself, 'cause I'm falling apart. Please wake me up, 'cause I'm slipping. Can't fight this feeling off no more. But I'm not going to give up and fall. Rise above the door, meet all my challenges and search for my strength. I defeat them all, I'm never ever gonna hide no more. I come to love myself again, yeah. For all the things I didn't know, the pain, the hurt, I let it go. Start to believe in myself, and life will be sweet again, so sweet again. Above it all, meet all my challenges and search for my strength. I defeat them all, I never ever gonna hide no more. I come to love myself again. For all the things I didn't know, the pain, the hurt, I let it go. Let it go. To pay to getting the things we want. But if we take a moment to get closer, closer to the things we need, we wouldn't need that looking at the things we have.
Okay, so what did I say? What did I What did I say, y'all? What did I say? Now this unit is from Zury Sis. It is their Diva H Sista wig. I got her in the color number 2, and when I tell you this is well worth the $30, even though this unit is 5 years old, the lace is not scratchy, so I don't gotta worry about that. The only lace you see on this unit is on the parting space. Everything else is just capped. Now I'm gonna go ahead and say this, and some brands may want to tussle in my comments, okay? But the synthetic textures that we have now are not even close to matching the synthetic textures that we had 5 years ago. When I say this texture is bomb, I lifted this hair and it stayed, okay? It stayed, and yet it's still soft. It still has bounce. Got more bounce to the ounce, sis. It still moves around like it's not stiff. Look at the hair. Do y'all see how good this hair looks? And it is a $30 synthetic wig. $30. Look how it looks on me. And y'all, if I wanted to cut this joint, listen. If I wanted to cut it and give myself a little Oprah situation, and that's a compliment, okay? When y'all be saying like, oh, that hair looks like Oprah, like, listen, sis, she got money, okay? She got the money, so I'm not mad. I am not mad at that compliment, okay? Keep them coming. Thank you. I am here for this, y'all, and clearly it is here for me. It is here for me. It gives me a look, okay? I know it's an old school look, but listen, it gives me the look. If I was to cut this unit up, child, wait. If I was to cut this unit up, listen, you can't tell me nothing. I cut the other one, okay? This is your sign right now to go ahead and cut it, okay? Go ahead and cut the wig. Get the slicing and dicing, okay? Yes. The longer version of this one wasn't really giving me the look that I wanted, so that's why I cut it. But let's go ahead and see how I style this one, okay? Very easy, very easy.
Your friends chilling day and night for days on end. Now you can't come see me tonight. Say you ain't got the time. I'm the last one you prioritize. Peeping your IG pictures on my phone. I won't spend another night at home. Okay, I'ma just be on my way. You'll see I'm not the one you take for granted, babe. I know that life can be busy, love.
Install, nothing crazy, okay? And I just cut it. That's it, okay? It gave it so much more body. I could definitely probably cut it up a little bit more, like to make it more of like an actual bob. But to do that, I'll probably have to take it off my head, so you know I don't want to do that right now. I'm cool how she's sitting right now. Okay, she cute, okay. I feel like it's more wearable in the shorter length for this color. Is it just me? Am I the drama? Okay, y'all, she look good. What y'all think? And I do like how the unit is not uneven. Today's units that have curls like this, it's usually really full at the top, and then at the end it gets real thin. This texture pretty much goes all the way down to the end, so I don't gotta worry about this looking like uneven or, you know, unbalanced. It looks pretty much good from root to tip. This is your sign right now. Go shop them sites and check out those old wigs. The old school wigs from 4, 5, 6 years ago, they on clearance, they on sale, buy them up. Your reasons why is right here, okay? Look at me. Y'all know it's real brisk outside, okay? So the warm wigs are calling us, okay? Hello, here I is. I got so many old wigs on my shelf right now that mimic this texture to a T, and I am so excited, y'all. For 2022, I'm taking it back, okay? I'm taking it back and checking out all those old joints that I have been sleeping on, because get up. If you want the look for less, okay, be a budget baddie with me. Come on, Brenda, okay? Come, come on, please. Let me take my glasses off so y'all can see me. I know I had them on, so I want y'all to see how I look. I know somebody about to comment, you laugh too much, you play too much. Like, listen, sit down. You here for the looks and I'm giving them, so sit down and hush, okay? Enjoy the view, sis. Enjoy the view. Let me stop. Let me get out of here. I will post some direct links for this unit as well as other units like it down below, so if you want to check them out, you can. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, and share this video. Also smash that notification bell so you don't miss anything else coming up. I love you guys so much, and I will see you next time. Bye.